day everyone, I am Momshie Roxan and this is episode 3 of this segment in Ignatian Academic Center and Momshie Roxan channel, Tuesdays with Momshie Roxan. Today we're going to talk about another common mistake of second language learners, the use of one of something phrase. We hear statements like this everywhere. Where does the confusion start? Well, I would like to present 3 things that you have to remember when using this phrase. First, when considering subject-verb agreement, the one of is a singular term. It is usually used when the speaker talks about a certain noun or pronoun. In short, one of phrase is followed by either noun or pronoun. One of them, one of the candidates. Second, the object of the one of phrase, the noun or pronoun used after the one of phrase, is always plural in form because the concept is we are talking about one out of many. So we say one of the teachers, not one of the teacher. One of the players, not one of the player. One of the indicators, not one of the indicator. Third, the verb is always in the singular form because it agrees with one of and not with its plural noun or pronoun object. One of the teachers is absent today. One of the players is my cousin. This is one of the indications that we need to review the process. She is one of the artists I know. Are you ready for some exercises? Let's do this. You identify the error in each of the following sentences. One of the passengers are missing. Have you already seen the error? Yes, the answer is R. So the sentence should be, one of the passengers is missing. How about in this sentence? The reporter is one of the guests today. What do you think is the error? Yes, the word guest. So the sentence should be, the reporter is one of the guests today. How about in this sentence? One of the judge is not coming. What do you think is the error in this sentence? Yes, the word judge. The sentence should be, one of the judges is not coming. So there, I've given you the 3 important things that you have to remember when using one of phrase. I hope you learned something today. If you're interested in topics in basic English grammar, technical writing, major subjects in English, please subscribe to my channel. If you are watching me in YouTube, please click the link in the description below to visit Ignatian Academic Center for updates on professional development and other academic webinars. See you next week. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.